Quinoa Atamalada is a traditional Peruvian dish similar to porridge. This comforting and nutritious dish has a rich and creamy texture and a delightful blend of flavors in every spoonful. It can be served as a standalone dish or as a side. First, let's go over some of the key ingredients. Here is some ají amarillo paste, made from pureeing some ají amarillo peppers, and quinoa. Quinoa is a nutritious and versatile ancient grain that originated from South America. It is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids and is also rich in fiber and is a source of vitamins and antioxidants. It has been part of Peruvian cuisine for thousands of years. For this dish, we'll be using white quinoa, which has a mild, slightly nutty and earthy flavor. In the middle is red quinoa, which is similar but with a slightly firmer texture. On the right is black quinoa, which generally has a slightly earthier and sweeter flavor. First, you want to rinse the quinoa thoroughly. Rinsing the quinoa removes its natural coating called saponin, which can have a bitter, soapy taste. Repeat this process until the water runs clear. Drain well. In a medium pot, heat some oil. Add the white of a green onion. Sauté until translucent. Add the garlic and ají amarillo paste. Sauté until aromatic. Ají amarillo peppers hail from Peru and are characterized by a fruity sweetness with moderate heat. They are hotter than jalapenos, but milder than habaneros or serranos. Add the quinoa and season with cumin, pepper, salt, and oregano. Stir to combine. Add the stock or water and cook for 20 minutes, partially covered, stirring often to avoid sticking. You want it to be the consistency of porridge. When the quinoa is cooked, add some evaporated milk. Stir to combine. Add some green onions. Stir to combine. And minced parsley. Give this a stir. Then stir in some cubed queso fresco. Stir this in, allowing it to melt slightly. Serve immediately. Garnish with more parsley, green onions, and more cheese if desired. This creamy and traditional Peruvian dish is as comforting as it is nutritious. Enjoy!